light. It brightens the dark, guiding the way forward. For over 60 years, Yutong has moved forward with determination, driving the future of new energy, creating sustainable transportation solutions, and bringing benefits to people around the world. In this era of innovation and progress, our technology continues to push boundaries, delivering products that are reliable, efficient, and intelligent. Shaping the future of smart transportation. With 1,900 service centers worldwide, backed by skilled and dedicated professionals, we stand ready to serve, making Yutong the trusted partner you can always count on. Driving by eco-conscious vision and deep social responsibility, we light the way to a fairer future, supporting those in need. We are committed to building a sustainable tomorrow, a world of greener products, smarter cities, and closer connections. Why do we believe in the power of light? Because it leads us toward endless possibilities. A brighter future for everyone.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Jack Lee from Yutong Bus. On behalf of Yutong to extend heartfelt welcome and big thanks for attending Yutong press conference. Before we look into Yutong solution, I'd like to share some insights with you about industry trend. From a perspective of energy propulsion, the industry going diversifiedly: electric, hydrogen, CNG, hybrid, etc. But no doubtly, electrification takes the predominant position. According to the latest, the first half of this year, the electric bus market share in the EU rose from 14% to 16% year on year. They reveal that electrification continues to maintain rapid growth. And we also see that more and more coaches running on the way. Following Yutong, there are more and more bus manufacturers rolling out their relevant electric coaches. Coach electrification goes faster than ever. As GSR applied to mandatory to buses, ADAS L2 functions are more increasingly popular and make public transport more intelligent and safely. Beyond the product, the customer asks for the full solution, including intelligent connectivity, charge efficiency, etc. So now Yutong actually progressively that rolled out the technologies. When the all of the customers are concerned about the safety of the electric buses, Yutong initially launched YESS, significantly upgraded safety standard the whole bus industry. When the customer were facing with diversified operation, Yutong launched the YEA, the cutting-edge platform, blending hardware and software. A lot of the suitable models were born based on this platform. When customers anticipate for more more intelligent fleet management, Yutong launched Link Plus, intelligent telematics system. As the industry are moving in a more new deep phase, new requirements arise. Let's say currently many PTO has the traffic term for 10 years or even longer. As a matter of fact, the current electric system failed to fulfill such long duration. In this moment, in 2025, Yutong officially launched our solution, Yutong EV Long Life Tech. Now, I'd like to unfold it in details. Yutong really trulies the same life between electric and the whole vehicle. Through the upgrades, the hardware and electric vehicle management, Yutong has achieved the design 15 years or 1.5 million kilometers. So when it comes to hardware, we firstly speaking, we think of the battery, right? Yutong EV Long Life Tech adopt a long life battery. The battery degradation shall be not more than 30% within 50 years. And the cycle life will be over 10,000 times. Meanwhile, the battery density rises to 175. Following the battery, let's move to the motor. Yutong pioneered the usage the flat wire motor. The life of the motor elevated to 20 years or 2 million kilometers. Compared with the round wire windings, the slot filling rate of flat wire goes by 20%. Instead, the resistance goes by 20%. As a result, the efficiency goes up to 98%. Following the motor, let's have a look at the controller. Yutong EV Long Life Tech features silicon carbide controllers. SiC features low loss, high voltage resistance. As a result, that the highest efficiency reach up to 99.8%. So after we complete introduction about the hardware, let's go ahead with the vehicle and battery management. Our vehicle battery management inclusive of three main parts: the BMS, thermal management, and the commercial vehicle cloud management cloud platform. BMS, it will achieve intelligent SOC calibration and smartly charging and discharging. It can adaptively calibrate the SOC and intervene with alerts and fault warnings and take a lot of actions, like the car, even whether it's prolonged standstill or operational changes. It can immediately and intervene with that calibrations and take measures to effectively delay the degradation of the battery. The thermal management, it adopt adaptive thermal control technology, can dynamically adjust according to external condition and operation changes. It also that deeply integrate that three main subsystems, air conditioner, electric drive, and the controllers, to ensure the battery always working at optimal thermal range. And commercial vehicle platform, it served to realize the estimation, status estimation, and the fault alert, and the health management for core components. So, based on our calculations, Yutong EV Long Life Tech can really help the bus operator reduce TCO by 4 to 5%. So, for customer, no worry about the battery replacement during the 15 years. Beyond the economic benefits, it also can deliver far-reaching social benefits. It can help the total emissions and benefit circular economy. Okay, built on that Yutong EV long life tech, Yutong this time we bring our new generation intercity bus, plus our T series, the premium coaches, and our urban bus U series. Now, let's have a look at our electric intercity bus. Honestly speaking, this model was introduced in Europe 2017. So far, we have already delivered more than 500 units. For years of improvements. Now, with the support of a Yutong EV long life tech, we delivered new generation intercity electrical buses, IC12E. Now, I'd like to tell you the main features. So, it's featured with battery 465, and with maximum range 575 kilometers, and the energy consumption is very low, only 0.67. And also, when you speak of that electrical intercity bus, it's faced with multiple working conditions, like uphill or even the highway request a very high speed. So this model fits with the flat wire motors, 430 kilowatt, to enable the bus easily to realize that climbing gradient 25% and reach the speed 100. Okay, for the intercity purpose, the charge efficiency is more concerned, right? We hopefully to quickly charging and then go. So with this dual GAN, that high power dual liquid cooling, that the battery SOC can be charged from 12% to 100% within 1.2 hours, and it significantly improves the charging efficiency. And also that for the intercity bus transportation, the passenger capacity and the luggage compartment is more needed, right? Thanks to our optimal driveline system layout and our lightweight materials applications, this model can accommodate 59 passengers with the luggage compartment of 4.5 cubic meters is full enough. So actually this model is also adopt our proprietary cockpit that actually offering with one main domain controllers, integrated different central control instruments, together with the 360 reversing monitors and the air conditioner adjustment, smartphone interconnections. All of these functions could be highly integrated on the 3 screens, make it for drivers to handle more easily. And as meanwhile, that in order to care that some drivers, elderly drivers, who already get used to the traditional buttons, we still retain necessary physical buttons. So let's move to this part. That this model also incorporates that more L2 functions, make the driving more easier, more safer. Okay, let's move to the next page. Okay, IC12E, actually, as I said, it was introduced many years ago. We improved in terms of comfort. Actually, we allow for more spacious room for driver. And it's also equipped with more ergonomic driver seat with 10-way adjustment. Also fit with the power, the windows and the camera mirrors, make driver have wider vision. For passengers, that it's also fit with more ergonomically tailored seats for passengers and more suitable for local European people. And also that it fits with e-car system and the wheelchair lift system. and provide the passenger very humanized and comfortable ride experience. Like IC12E and IC series, we introduced the T series 3 years ago. So far, we delivered to share with you. So this model also features the battery, long life battery, that's the T14E. It's one of the flagship models. It accommodates it's fitted with the battery 704, and the driving range could be up to 850 kilometers. And energy consumption is ultra low, only 6.78. And the luggage compartment could be up to 8.5 cubic meters. And that also us fancy and luxury coaches. Okay, the comfort and luxury is a must. So regarding the luxury, I like to see this model feature with the CDC technology, which means continuous damping control technology, which is reserved high-end passenger car. Working with air suspension, it can dynamically adjust the damping that when the bus operates on the bumpy road and significantly reduce vibration. And also minimizing the body tilting during corner or lane changes, significantly enhancing the safety and comfort. A lot of variation, low floor, low entry, even trolley bus, and even double-decker buses. So this model can definitely fulfill your specific needs. So I'd like to say something about U15 because it's used for the track line. It also features with a long life battery, right? And this model is features the battery 666.3, and the driving range maximally 850. And also that applied lightweight and the long life tech, so make that the bus become more economically and that comparable other product. It has lower TCO than. Actually, now maybe you already noticed that there is a very dazzling red double-decker buses standing at the entrance of this floor. This model was introduced 2 years ago for UK market. Now it's running across many cities. But we are further developing another dedicated product for London market that we hope this market will quickly release in the near future. Let's stay tuned. We will hold another release in the near future. Okay, beyond the product,